Hello guys, welcome back to another Loft update video. The first thing I'm going to do is insert a little clip here that I filmed just before we went away for the night. This is what our upstairs is currently looking like. My office, Gray's bedroom and our bedroom. We've got these dust guards up. We've used frog tape. I really hope it doesn't pull the paint off, but we'll probably have to redecorate this hallway anyway. So that's hopefully going to keep some of the dust out, and then we're going out today, tomorrow, and they're going to put the staircase in. It's going to go all the way up here. I am so intrigued to see what it's going to look like when we get back. So as you can see, we got everything ready because the plan was that they were going to fit the staircase whilst we were out the house for the day. They said we just need one day, might be a bit dusty, we'll tidy up after ourselves, but it's best if you get out the house for the day. So that's what we did, and I'll show you what we have come back to. So I'm standing on our stairs. This is what you can see from underneath, but I'm guessing, singing Twinkle Twinkle, I'm guessing they're going to like board this up and plaster it, so you're not going to see the bottom of the stairs. It's just going to be one smooth run all the way up to the top. But this is what it looks like from down here. So the stairs are in. There are no spindles. It's kind of terrifying having a toddler with this. As you can see, they've boarded up the top again so they can continue working. It's pretty impressive how you just make a staircase just like float in air. It's terrifying. So you've obviously got a big hole in the wall from where the old banister was. There's like gaps around the edges that will get filled. Our carpet had to get cut. And we're going to have like a big thing here. The spindles we've got almost match these perfectly. I think once they're painted dark, we've got that as well. Once they're painted dark, I think they'll look similar enough. They're not exactly, but they're close enough. So this part will all get painted dark to match. These will eventually be carpeted, but probably not for a while. And look, you can walk on them. I mean, this is terrifying. Terrifying. I don't know how we're going to stop Gray going up here. She's a pretty good girl, but we'll see. And that takes you up to the loft. How friggin' crazy is this? So now when we open our bedroom door, we have a staircase here. How mad. Very exciting. Big change. Okay, here's a little clip that Rich took when he went up recently.
So a mini update on the loft extension. They've started to fill out, or board up, sorry, the sides and the top, the roof. They've made the openings for the skylights. We're having two there. So we've had them quite high so we can have the wardrobes or cupboards built in along here. And there's another skylight there. And then this area here is the bathroom. And then our windows opening. So they've boarded all that up.
And now that we have the staircase in, our builder has just arrived, like our main project manager, and he's going to open up the top. And I'm going to go up for the first time to have a look at the loft space. I'm scared of like going up there and walking up there, but now it's like safe for me to do so. I didn't go up the scaffolding. That would be quite irresponsible at like 9 months pregnant. 9 months, 8 months, I don't know. So I'm going to go walk up the stairs and I'm going to actually have a feel for the space. I want to measure where the sofa bed will go. I want to measure where a rug would go. I want to measure the bathroom. We're going to work out the size of the bathroom and decide where the stud wall is going to go, and like then we can actually order all the bathroom stuff like the shower tray and the sink and stuff once we know the measurements. So there's a lot to do up there. I'm excited to go have a look. Guys, I'm finally, it's all right, God. I'm finally in the loft. It feels so weird to be up here. It's bigger than I imagined and it's smaller than I imagined. And I don't know how, that doesn't make sense, but it does in my head. Like it's so weird to have a big space up here, but also it's like not as deep as I thought. So we've measured sofa bed. I don't think we'd be able to fit like a proper super king bed up here if it was a bedroom. Maybe one day we'll check, but it would literally take, you'd walk like into the bed. And be very careful where I step. So that you walk up the stairs, let me try and explain. There'll be a wall here, and then this is where the pocket door will be to enter the room. So I walk in, and then this little corner here is where my desk is going to go. There's going to be cupboards all the way along here, and then either the Peloton will go there or there, we haven't quite decided. Sofa bed across here. The good thing about the sofa bed we've got is that it won't come out long ways like a bed would, so you're not going to walk into it. It just kind of flattens and it will be long that way, so that's good. Wall lights there. And then, yeah, I think you've kind of seen this from what Rich has shown, but this is where the bathroom's going to be. It's kind of smaller than I thought. Like, it's literally, we're going to have to get quite a thin shower tray, I think, to get the most space out of the bathroom. It's gonna be like shower, toilet, sink. I don't think we have room for wall lights either side of the mirror. I think I'm gonna have to do one above the mirror. But it's gonna be like a cute little bathroom. Massive window. What else did I have to show? Rich has jumped down onto the scaffolding to show you what the kind of outside looks like. I don't know what they put next, but it looks cool. We ordered the sofa bed because I was panicked. It was out of stock, and as soon as it came back in, I ordered it. But it's literally next day delivery. So now we've got a sofa bed and nowhere to put it. So we've got like one box under the dining table, and then out in the hallway, we've got 3 massive boxes. We've had to like move all our coats and stuff, and we're storing it here. So we have lots of boxes in the house. I have a Soho home wall light that I'm obsessed with. I actually ordered 2, one came broken, and now they're out of stock. So I'm desperately trying to find out how I can order another one, but hopefully that's the wall light we're gonna have. And then let me show you guys the kind of colour scheme, because I think I've pretty much decided. I've actually made some decisions recently. I'm very proud of myself. So you guys have seen this is the floor. This is the colour of the sofa bed. It wouldn't be my top pick. It's a little bit too grey, but it's got enough beige in it that I think it will work. So floor, sofa bed, this is going to be the wall colour, which is Little Green Clay Mid 153. I'm going to put that on the walls and on the ceiling. I'm trying to buy some curtains. Not sure about this. Finding curtains very difficult. This will be the cupboard colour. I'm not sure if we're doing them straight away, but when we eventually do, this is Farrow and Ball French Grey. And then I'm going to continue this into the bathroom. So this is going to be the flooring, CaPietra Parisian Cafe tiles, and then this is I think they're called Oasis Ceramic. These are going to go upwards in the shower and across behind the sink and the toilet. I decided to keep it neutral, and instead above the stud wall where the sink and toilet is, I'm going to paint the same green colour, because then if we get bored of the green we can always switch it up, whereas tiles you can't really. So this is kind of the colour scheme, and I'm so happy with it. Really, really into it. I think the main room will be really lovely, warm, beigey tones. Okay, I haven't checked in with you guys for a little while because it's been quite chaotic here. We haven't really been able to go up to the loft just because by the time the builders leave it's dark, and then weekends we've been busy. I'm not even sure we can get in via the scaffolding anymore because they've kind of done the roof. I'm not sure, but basically I'm going to take you upstairs now to have a look because I can go up via the stairs now. There are builders up there though, so I'm probably not going to talk too much to camera and just kind of show you around a little bit because it's a little bit awkward, but a lot has progressed. We're not going to be done in time for the baby, but things are moving along. We had a meeting with the electrician today and the plumber to talk through what, like, they're doing all the sockets and electrics today and getting everything in place so they can start plastering soon. So we are definitely getting there. Let me show you the progress. So in our hallway, they've put these holes in the walls they've had to run the wire all the way up under the carpet through up this wall to get the wires upstairs. Okay, I tried to do like talking, and then every time I did, they were drilling. So instead I just took some clips and let me talk you through what I was just filming. So they've put plasterboard on the ceiling in the hallway. We've actually gained a little bit of head height there, which is quite cool. And we're going to be able to put our hanging lights back up there. So they've just run the electrics through for that. And then if I take you up the stairs, I'll show you kind of all the plasterboard has been done there. So for the entrance to the room where the kind of staircase curves round and you walk into the room. And then this is the bathroom, so the framing of the bathroom, which has a sliding door. I know it looks like the door's kind of centre in the bathroom, but it's because the shower's on the right. The door would be in front of the sink, and then the toilet's going to be by the window. We had to change things around again because the bathroom was too narrow for the toilet to be next to the shower. There wouldn't have been enough space to walk out, so we've switched those around again. So that is the bathroom, big window in there. This is kind of the other side of the room. You can kind of see the skylights, and there'll be cupboards at the back there. They've started putting, I think they may have finished tiling the roof. I'm not sure if it's totally finished. And then you can also see the opening for the back windows at the back of the house. So it all still looks like a bit of a mess, but it's definitely coming together. It's more of like a room now, and it's so nice to be able to go up there and get a feel for the space and like measure out the sofa bed and where everything's gonna go. So that's kind of my update at the moment. Hey everyone, I'm here for a very sunny loft update apparently. Oh, got no room for my legs. All right, sorry, I'm properly in the sun, but I can't really avoid that. This is going to be my final update for this video. I'm hoping I'll get another video up before I have this baby. Might be a bit unrealistic. I'm just going to keep filming and it will go up when it goes up. But I really wanted to squeeze this one up because I haven't updated you guys on YouTube for a little while. So I just went up the other day to have a look and they've plasterboarded pretty much the whole room. So it looks really different. It feels like a proper room now. It does make it feel a little bit smaller, but you know, they plasterboard it and then they put the plaster on and then they paint and stuff. So things are really kind of kicking off. Over the next 2 weeks, they're gonna plaster the room, they're gonna put the flooring down, they're gonna do the bathroom, the back doors, the windows are going in. At the moment, our builder, the last update we got was it's gonna be ready on, and the date he told us is literally the day before I'm having this baby. So it's quite funny, it's all very tight, but it's very exciting. I just can't wait to be able to put all this stuff upstairs, really. That's what I'm most looking forward to. Let me show you the clip of the last time I went upstairs to have a little film. So this little corner here is where my desk area will go, and then there'll be cupboards just below these 2 Velux windows. So this whole wall here has been plasterboarded. And then this is the opening for the back windows. That's all I was really able to film, but I can't wait to see the room plastered. It's gonna look and feel so different. The guys are here today working on the staircase, so we're kind of like staying out the house as much as we can and staying downstairs. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this video here and hopefully the next one, there'll be a lot more progress to show you. See you soon.